Okay, we're here at the Orange County Fair with Fernando, and he's been wearing our insoles for how long now?
It's been over a year because I got them last year.
Excellent, excellent. And Fernando, what do you do for a living?
I am a network field service engineer.
Oh, okay. And so does that require you to be on your feet a lot, or what does that entail?
Yes, it does. I basically travel from location to location. I'm walking from building to building, just doing networking, but I'm on my feet all the time.
So you're putting in some miles on those feet.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. I went ahead and I've gone through insoles after insoles after insoles, and I've tried so many different kinds. And one day I came to the Orange County Fair, and I tried one of these Foot Relief, and immediately it was just instant. I knew I had to have them. I've been wearing them ever since. They've been wonderful.
Excellent.
Love them.
And you came back today to get a couple more pairs?
Yes, I did. I came to get a couple more pairs. I brought one. I love your warranty that you guys have. You have the 2-year warranty. The one, I had bought 2 pairs. One of them had actually gone flat.
Right.
Brought it back, and you guys took care of it.
Yep, so we stand behind our warranty, don't we?
Yes, you do.
Excellent.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, it's 2 years unconditional. You ever have a problem, we're going to replace that for you. Excellent. So now you have 3 pair, 1 for every shoe, so you're good to go for a few years.
I'm good. So, but if my family members want any, I'm sure going to come back and get some more. Give them out as gifts or something, you know?
Now, did you have some severe pain or any specific problems when you first started wearing our insoles?
No. When I first started wearing your insoles, I had no pain of any kind.
Okay.
And actually, right before I started wearing yours, I was having achy feet. My feet were always achy because of all the walking around.
Okay.
And at that moment, like I said, as soon as I tried them on.
So once you started wearing the Foot Relief insoles, all that aching and pain pretty much went away?
Pretty much went away. Yes,
all
it did.
right. Well, great. So you recommend our brand over any other brand out there?
Oh yeah, definitely.
All right. Well, Fernando, thanks for being a loyal customer and loyal to our brand, and we'll see you next year. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.